All right, guys, this is a big problem that I see people making, and it's using the wrong examples of success. So we've talked about how in markets, we want to go where it's evenly distributed, okay? And there's multiple examples of successful sellers, okay? So sometimes people will look at these and they'll go into competitive markets, but they'll say, but hey, that one guy has, one review and he's up there, like doing a bunch of revenue with everyone else. Well, guess what? He's cheating, or he's doing a launch or something. So essentially, somebody will be doing a product launch and then doing lots of giveaways or running lots of outside traffic. And while all these other people have like 3,000 reviews, and this guy is one, so we think, well, if I just did kind of what he did, then I would be up there. No, it's because they're cheating or they're using some other form of resources. Okay, so here's the way it looks. Let's say I look up cell phones. Okay, and let's say that this Huawei one right here. Okay. It looks like wow, they just launched and they just came up here. Like, look at these sales graph. And people will think, wow, if I just came into the cell phone market, this would happen. No, he's obviously running either massive ads or the fact that if we actually took a look at his listing, so you look like, he just took off. But why? Okay, so where is Huawei here? Okay, it's right there. It's a basic white. It's just a really basic iPhone case by a very Eastern-looking brand that has no brand value. So they're obviously cheating somehow here. So when we're looking at it, make sure, what's the takeaway? Make sure that they haven't just launched. If they haven't been selling consistently for a month or two, or like for over 2 months, then cut them out. They're not good to use as an example. You want to find other people that have come in, haven't obviously gone and used manipulative practices, and have been selling consistently with a lower amount of reviews. Then that shows you that, okay, this market is having other people that are successful. When we take a look at the other sellers in this market, they've all been here for a while and are selling massive amounts and have a lot of reviews, and a lot of them are brand names. So just something to take into account here. Don't get caught in this little trap. It doesn't happen too often, and that's why I really suggest going into smaller markets and where you can differentiate. Then you won't even run into these problems at all, because people aren't using these manipulative methods of launches, which don't really even work anymore. There's all sorts of other ones. There's always a new one each week, but they always come and go, and these are just come and gone businesses. They just make fake accounts and do some BS to get on the first page. So yeah, we don't do that. We make good stuff that lasts forever. So don't get caught in this. Hope this was helpful. Let me know if you got any questions.